Let the pen find its way. No need to rush, no need to plan. The line moves soft across the page, and peace arrives right where you are. Breathe it in, let it go. You are here, you are safe. Something gentle starts to grow in the quiet of this space, soft and slow. Let it flow. You are here, let it go. Breathe it in, feel it grow, soft and slow. Let it flow. The lines are finding their own path. No mistakes, just movement now. The page is feeling soft and warm. The mind begins to quiet down. Hands that move without a thought. Eyes that soften, shoulders fall. Something beautiful is caught in the stillness of it all. Soft and slow, let it flow. You are here, let it go. Breathe it in, feel it grow, soft and slow. Let it flow. Say to yourself, I am calm. Say to yourself, I am here. Every line a quiet song. Every stroke releases fear. The pen is leading, trust the way. No destination, just this now. Let the colors find their place. Let the tension take its bow. Soft and slow, let it flow. You are here, let it go. Breathe it in, feel it grow, soft and slow. Let it flow. There is nothing left to solve, nothing broken, nothing wrong. Watch the patterns as they form. You have belonged here all along. Let the quiet hold you now, like a hand that knows your name. Every breath a gentle vow, every line a soft refrain. Soft and slow, let it flow. You are here, let it go. Breathe it in, feel it grow, soft and slow. Let it flow. The world can wait a little while. This moment asks for nothing more. Just the pen, the page, the style of a soul that's finding shore. Soften now, release the weight. Everything is as it should. You arrived right on time, and here in this space, you are good. When the last line finds its rest, and the page holds something new, you have given it your best, just by being here, just you. Breathe it in one final time. Feel the stillness, feel the peace. Every curve and every line was always meant to bring release. Soft and slow, let it flow. You are here, let let it flow.